Hello my friends and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Friday. I promise one of these days I'll actually start the weekly vlog on a Monday. This week is just not that week. I actually tried vlogging earlier in the week, but I just ended up not getting that much footage. I did show you guys my grocery haul though, so I'll insert that footage now. Okay, quick little grocery haul because I know you guys love seeing this kind of stuff. First thing we got are some milk, soy, and light milk. We needed some more butter. And then for meat this week, we just got a couple of packs of beef mince. I'm making chili and spaghetti bolognese. And then we also got some salmon. Feeling bougie, we also got the 5-star beef mince, so look out. And then we're making some homemade pizzas tomorrow night. So I got some pizza cheese and then some parmesan, pizza bases, and then I got some carrots. I love shopping at Aldi, but the one thing I don't love necessarily is all of the plastic packaging. It's kind of unavoidable a lot of the time. Yeah, that's just like the one downside, but we got carrots, apples, some celery, pasta, hash browns, just in case we're feeling a little hungover, some pasta sauce. We stocked up on our espresso pods. I really like these ones. I don't know how to pronounce it. Lure, the Profondo Intensity A. Yeah, that's my favorite kind. And much cheaper than the espresso ones. I also needed some multi-purpose cleaner. Got some noodle boxes. This like granola. I thought this would be nice to have with some like Greek yogurt, some banana, just as a little snack or breakfast. Sorry, I'm running out of room. Got tomato paste, pineapple chunks for the pizza. Let me know, do you guys like pineapple on pizza or not? I'm a big fan. I love a good Hawaiian pizza. Some brown rice and quinoa. Nick likes taking these to work. Some kidney beans, cruscets. I also felt like doing some baking, so I got some vanilla extract. And as a little treat yourself, we got some vanilla cupcakes. These ones are so good. I would highly recommend. They have chocolate ones as well, but I think vanilla are my favorites. Oh, and some red wine vinegar for my spaghetti bolognese. Yeah, that is the... Okay, this is just not cute. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little grocery haul. I know a lot of you enjoy that kind of content, and I never really understood why until I moved out, and I'm like, oh my god, show me what's in your fridge, show me what's in your pantry. I need recipe ideas, so I get it. But anyway, it's Friday now. I've had a very unproductive morning. I'm gonna completely expose myself here, but I slept in until almost 11, which I never do. I don't know, I feel like I've completely wasted like half of the day, which I mean I have. It's like 12:30 now and I have not done anything. I just had some breakfast, or is that breakfast? I don't know. I had some granola with some Greek yogurt and banana and a bit of honey, which was delicious. And now I'm about to go walk to the gym. It is such a beautiful day outside and I have not been to the gym at all this week. I blame it on my period. I started my period. I didn't feel like going when blood was flowing from my vagina. So I think that's fair. I'm feeling it today though. So we're gonna make the most of this opportunity, this feeling. It doesn't happen often. Get a little sweat session and then I'm gonna come home. Nick's finishing work a little bit early this afternoon. So we'll probably do a bit of cleaning, maybe some organizing. I have a few little apartment updates to show you guys. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Happy Friday. I'm now back from the gym. I just took a shower. I stopped at Priceline on my way home. I actually met one of you guys, which is really lovely. So thanks for saying hi. I didn't catch her name, but hello if that was you. It was lovely to meet you. I thought I'd show you guys a few little things that I picked up. They're currently having, I think it's half price on all hair care and then like 40% off a few brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal and NYX, I think it was. So I just thought I would stock up on some of my everyday products. So the first thing I got is a new shampoo and conditioner. These were both half price and I've heard really good things about this brand. It's the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk. I don't know, I thought I'd give it a go. I need a new shampoo and conditioner because mine's running out. I then got my mascara. This is my new favorite. It's the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Honestly, so good. And also my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Absolutely love this stuff. And then the ladies in there were so lovely. They were giving away like free stuff. I guess because I spent a certain amount. I'm not entirely sure, but I didn't question it. Took the stuff, loved my life. Always love a good freebie. So I got the L'Oreal Infallible Highlighter. It's like a stick highlighter. Super pretty. And then this also from L'Oreal. It's the Glow, what is it? 24-hour hydration. I think it's like a highlighting primer. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, super nice. Good morning, you guys. It is now Monday. Nick and I, well, Nick has the day off work today. Woo! And we're gonna head to Ikea. We basically, okay, so we got the second couch. I don't know if I've updated you guys on this, but we got the second couch. Stunning, looks incredible in this little area. It fits perfectly, but it's left this corner looking very sparse, I guess you could say. So we're gonna go to Ikea, maybe get a floor lamp, maybe get another little side table like that. We're not entirely sure, but yeah, that's the plan for today. And then we're gonna go to Aldi and do our food shopping. Oh wow, what are they cooking up? That looks delicious. Hello friends, so we just finished on the Aldi, whatever you want to call it, and now we're about to head home. We had a very successful time at Ikea. We ended up getting a plant stand and a little basket for our blankets rather than like a little side table or a lamp, because we just don't really need it. Nick's very opposed to the idea of another lamp. He thinks it's very unnecessary. I was just speaking about you, speaking of the devil. I was just saying how you didn't want another lamp.
Yeah. Why do you need 2 lamps in one room?
Is it these ones? What the what? No, I think it's these ones, actually. What does that mean? I'm so good at this. Do you reckon Dad could do this in like 2.5
He'd be done.
Hello guys, so it is now Tuesday morning. It is so freaking cold. I have like 20 freaking layers on. I have a singlet on, I have my jumper on, and then a dressing gown because it is that cold this morning. Also accompanied by my trackies and my fluffy socks. I just made myself a coffee to warm me up, and I'm about to start prepping these apples that we got from Aldi yesterday when we were food shopping. They're just Granny Smith green apples, and I'm just going to core these, probably peel them as well, and then just make some stewed apples. I've never done this before, but I've seen a bunch of people do it recently.
Bottom of the pan. You can see what I mean. That's some of it filled and some of.
And there we have it. It looks kind of gross, but tastes really good. I've just popped some on my porridge this morning and just mixed through some vanilla protein. This is what I use for anyone that is wondering. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this and get ready to go to the gym. Good morning, you guys, or good afternoon, should I say. It's like 1 o'clock. I have just spent the morning filming. We did it. It was successful. I just looked back on the footage and it looks pretty good. So I'm now about to have some lunch, probably some like mac and cheese, honestly. I just don't really know what else I'm vibing. I feel like something quick and easy. Maybe some carrot as well. Obviously not in my mac and cheese. That would be preposterous. That just looks like the most absurd lunch ever. Mac and cheese, a carrot, and spinach dip. Like, not a great combo. I'm about to put on some gym clothes. I'm gonna head down to all of these airplanes today, and I have no idea where they're coming from because who is going anywhere right now? Anyway, that's just like completely, what was I trying to say? I've lost it. The airplane distracted me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put on some gym clothes. I'm gonna head down to a coffee shop, probably like Gloria Jeans or something, because it's quite big and I won't feel bad about like sitting there. But I'm gonna sit there and do some editing, which would be so lovely. I haven't done that in ages. I just focus so much more when I'm not at home. So I'm gonna do that and then go straight to the gym from there because it's like right near it. Hello friends and happy Thursday. Sorry, I really need to stop doing that. Oh my god, I have the worst pain. I woke up this morning with like this shooting pain down like my shoulder slash neck. It's not a vibe. I just took some Voltaren after my lunch and I'm feeling a little bit better. It's not as stiff, like I can kind of turn my neck this way. I must have pulled something at the gym, or like I think it might have been how I slept. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, happy Thursday. I have had a really lovely day. I caught up with my friend Jacqueline. We just went for a walk, grabbed a coffee. It's such a beautiful day, honestly. Unreal. And I've just spent the afternoon editing my homewares haul, which if you guys haven't seen, I'll have it linked down below. Yeah, that's just exporting right now. I just have to make the thumbnail and then we're gonna head to Nick's parents' house for dinner, which will be lovely. But in the meantime, I thought I would just tidy this room up, make a little progress if I can. It's quite messy. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna start with all of this makeup and organizing it because it's probably the simplest and most effective use of my time. I literally just have to take it from here all the way over to here. Why have I put this off for so long? I'm not entirely sure, but I'm also gonna organize everything, clean it all down and just make it look pretty. It's not quite as simple as that, but you get the idea. And then I'm also gonna start decorating and organizing these shelves.
She's on the money. She's on the money.
I have to show you this. If you're an OG subscriber, you may remember this is the pinnacle of my existence. Truly my peak. Firstly, Dolly magazine. Let's just take a moment. What a throwback. Secondly, wait for it. Wait for it. Ta-da! Guys, look. Little 17-year-old me in Dolly magazine. Isn't that so cool? This was a cool moment in my life. This is the November issue from 2014, so I was literally just finishing high school when this came out. My mum bought like 50 copies and I had to take the photos myself, as you can probably tell. I mean, they edited them so they look professional, but I remember I'd just come home from like a really long day of school and work and I could not be bothered taking photos, but there was a deadline. And then I was interviewed and they even have inside Ella's beauty bag. Like, look at this. This is so cool. What a cool little thing to tell the children. Oh my god, that is so funny. Look at one of the last questions they asked is, what do you want to do once you finish school? And I said my dream would be to carry on with my YouTube channel, which I mean, I've technically done. Otherwise, I'd love to do journalism or teaching, which is just so funny because I have done neither, nor do I really have any interest in doing either. Anyway, just a little trip down memory lane.